friends, this is Shaheen. Welcome back. Today I am going to make Mughlai delicacy Mutton Korma. So just come and have a look how to prepare it. To make Mutton Korma, we have to take a deep pan or pressure cooker. Take 2 large size spoon of oil. We have to fry mutton in this oil, so let the oil be hot. Put a bay leaf, cinnamon stick. This is doda elaichi or large elaichi. These are 2 green cardamoms, 5 to 6 of cloves, black pepper, and this is strand of mace and pinch of nutmeg. We'll put them after the gravy is ready, and half onion. We have to fry it. Just fry it till golden brown. Till then we are grinding our onion. This is 1 teaspoon of desiccated coconut. You can also grate coconut, and we are going to grind it with onion paste. See, these whole garam masalas are fried. Onion has become golden. Now we will going to add our mutton pieces into it, and we are going to fry it. In Mughlai recipes you require more oil, but you can always drain it after cooking. Masalas get burnt if we take less oil. Wonderful aroma is in the air. Mutton korma tastes great with rumali roti. Fry it for 2 minutes. Now this is a paste of 2 large size onion and 1 teaspoon of coconut. Stir it till the onion becomes golden. Okay. Till the onion is getting pink. This is red chilli powder, Kashmiri red chilli powder. It gives a beautiful red color to the gravy. These are 3 teaspoons. You can increase or decrease according to your taste. Make a paste and add into it. It will cook faster. And these are 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Half a teaspoon of or 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now we'll make a paste of it. Just leave it like that. See, after 5 minutes we have got this color of onion. It is fried. Now we are going to add ginger and garlic, 2 teaspoons of it. Always add ginger and garlic when we get this color of onion, otherwise it will taste raw. 1, this is 2. Now we will add salt. 1. Taste it before serving. If you require more, just add it. Now we are going to add this paste of coriander powder, red chilli powder and turmeric powder. And now this is half a katori of sour curd. This is 1/4 teaspoon of whole garam masala. It is a mixture of green cardamom, large cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, mace and nutmeg. Prepare this masala and keep it in your fridge. We will always require it when we are making a non-veg dish. The real flavors we get in a curry is due to these garam masalas. And now close the lid, let it cook in its own water, then we'll add water. See, after cooking this masala in its own juices of mutton, it took 10 to 12 minutes. Now we will going to add water to it, and if mutton is tender then we require less time, and if it is a mutton of bigger bone then we take a longer time. So just test it till the mutton is done. Now we will going to add water. Korma is a syrup gravy. And we will require 2.5 glasses of water. That's all. In the end, add this nutmeg and a strand of mace and keep it for 20 to 25 minutes. See, after 25 minutes the mutton is done, the gravy is ready. Now we are going to serve it. So mutton korma is ready to be eaten with do purti or rumali roti. In my next episode, learn how to make this do purti roti so that you will enjoy your korma.